Hi, I'm Pedro Hernandez and welcome to the MindFlex Minute. Finding the secret sauce to creating long-lasting change takes a few ingredients. So let's continue where we left off. Now, if this is your first time watching, make sure you go back to the other videos in this series. That way you can catch up. You can also watch other videos that include workouts, recipes, and more. Now, the goal for the MindFlex Minute is to help you increase your awareness and mental conditioning, mindset conditioning, in order for you to achieve any goal that you may have in mind. Since our conscious mind receives its information from our five senses, and we can either reject or accept any information, this also means that this is where our free will resides. Let's think of a food that you don't like. Somebody comes up to you, offers you the food, and your body language will change, and your face may also indicate that you don't want this food. And that's pretty obvious, and it's the same way for foods that you like. So that's just an example to show you that no person or circumstance can make you choose or think something that you don't want to. So when it comes to creating the long-lasting change that we want, if we have the same mindset of yes or no, accept or reject kind of mentality as we do with the food that we like or don't like, then we will start to see greater progress that's going to stick. Now, how do we do that? The key here is to increase the awareness about the thoughts that you have, good or bad, relating to the change that you want. And awareness is like a dimmer switch on a light. The more we increase that switch or the awareness, the more clarity we're going to have. There's a quote by Emerson that says, "The only thing that will grow is the thing that you give energy to." Now, there's an interesting study that I found that showed that people that focus on thinking and visualizing about strength training actually increase their strength between 13 and 53%. Without touching one single piece of equipment. That is amazing. So that just shows you how powerful our thoughts are. So now it is your turn to increase that dimmer switch of awareness as you go throughout the day about your behaviors, about your feelings, about your actions when it comes to creating that change that you want. How do you behave or feel when it comes to certain things? If your goal is to create long-lasting change in terms of weight loss, how do you act throughout the day? Just increase that awareness, because the awareness will give you the clarity that you need in order to move on to the next step towards creating that long-lasting change. Next, we move on to the subconscious mind or the superconscious mind. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time as we go on to the subconscious mind.